I just got to Little Leon. I'm about to go in and meet up with my friend Brandy, and we're gonna sample some delicious gluten-free food that's quick and easy, but amazing and tasty.
Hey Rachel, how you been?
Good to see you.
Good to see
I'm
you.
just gonna, So Brandy, have you ever been to Little Leon before?
No, actually this is my first time.
Do you eat gluten-free on a normal basis?
No, but I have been trying to switch up my diet.
Okay, so we're gonna try some gluten-free food here. So knowing that you eat gluten, I'm really curious to see what you think about the gluten-free options right here at Little Leon.
Yeah.
Little Leon is like a Chipotle meets Salad Works with lots more options. Little Leon might be one of my favorite gluten-free stops to grab and go in Tampa. You can dine in the restaurant or you can grab a bowl or salad to go, and the options are limitless.
Cheers.
Oh, cheers.
Thanks for joining me.
Absolutely.
Delish.
It's so pretty. I just don't want to mess it up.
You see what you think of the beets in the salad? Really good? Awesome. Empty bowl here.
Yummy.